Yes, chemistry means secret. Ironically, chemistry has its own secrets, unexplored reactions, undiscovered elements, unsolved solids, uncharted liquids, unexamined gases, etc. etc. All secrets, secrets, and secrets. Chemistry means secret. Everyone knows. Chemistry is often called the central science. A central science that exposes secrets of the organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry, physical chemistry, biochemistry, that chemistry, this chemistry, 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 and chemistry.
अब रश्मि मैम को ही देखिए, उन्होंने सब की केमिस्ट्री की नैया पार कर दी, लेकिन अपनी केमिस्ट्री छुपा के ही रख दी।
यस, हाय ब्रो। रश्मि मैम की केमिस्ट्री आज तो उजागर हो ही जाएगी। व्हाट अबाउट बेबी मैम्स?
बेबी मैम्स, वो तो
The 31 years of untold story. Raz. The 31 years of untold story. Raz. The 31 years of untold story. Raz.
यस, राज, बेबी मैम इज सबसे बड़ा राज।
You mean secret? Raz and chemistry, are these both same?
Yes, Raz is chemistry and chemistry is Raz.
Chemistry is Raz and Raz is chemistry.
Chemistry is Raz and Raz is chemistry. Chemistry is Raz and Raz is chemistry. Chemistry is Raz and Raz is chemistry.
The 31 years of untold story. Raz.
Who are you all? Are you immigrants? Did Donald Trump send you back from America to India? Why did you take donkey route?
No, we are not immigrants.
But you look like.
No, we are not immigrants. We are not immigrants.
What are you carrying then? आप लोग आपके सर में ये क्या उठाए ले जा रहे हो?
Discarded things, discarded things, discarded things. Discarded things of Rashmi ma'am and baby ma'am.
Discarded things? You mean unwanted things from Rashmi ma'am and baby ma'am's house? Yes. जो भी चीज उन्हें नहीं चाहिए थी, हम लोग ले आए हैं। Oh yes. We heard that they are retired. Perhaps they have started packing. Cheh. We don't have anything of theirs. Cheh. We don't have anything of theirs.
एक बात पूछूं?
हाँ पूछो बेशक। इसमें से कुछ चीज हमें दीजिए ना। वाह रे वाह,
सेंट जोसेफ स्कूल के स्टूडेंट्स तुम लोग हो और पूछते हो हम लोगों से?
We mean we don't have anything to keep with ourselves. Something of this to remember them.
Oh my God, you don't have anything to keep. Something of Rashmi ma'am and baby ma'am to remember them.
छे छे छे, सबसे बड़ा राज तो यही है।
राज।
You don't have anything to keep, something of theirs to remember them? छे छे छे।
My dear children, recollect, please recollect. From the years that passed, even today, with that painful leg, carrying acute pain, Rashmi ma'am came to teach you all. She never took a single leave because of that pain. Is it not her commitment? Is it not her dedication to the school?
Don't you remember baby ma'am's wholeheartedness? Devotion towards her duty? She could have easily stayed in Kerala, in her beautiful new house with her family, or could have easily stayed with her sons in United Kingdom. Why did she prefer to stay alone here for so many years? It's nothing but her commitment, her devotion. आप बच्चों की उन्नति के लिए उन्होंने अपना सर्वस्व समर्पण किया।
And don't you remember their 31 years of hard work? Excuse me, you said 31 years? Both served SGS for 31 years? Yes, 31 years.
Wait. I have proof. See these? Both Rashmi ma'am and baby ma'am joined SJS on 4th of July 1994.
4th of July 1994. Same day, same month, and even same year.
राज।
Wait. Let me reveal another secret.
Another secret?
Yes, another secret. Look at their date of birth. Month May, year 1965.
राज।
Oh my God. Here too. Same month and same year. Oh my God. Same year of birth, 1965. And month of birth, May. Same month, same year. Not bad. And what about their birth date?
Birth date. That is
राज।
And look at this. Goodness me, Dr. Rashmi Srivastava. Rashmi Srivastava is a doctor?
Yes, Rashmi ma'am always stood first in 10 and 12 and ranked topped in BSc and MSc. And this was for her research in structural studies of plant constituents. I repeat, structural studies of plant constituents. And she was awarded doctorate from University of Allahabad, the Oxford of India.
बट लेकिन रश्मि मैम ने तो अपने नाम के सामने कभी डॉक्टर नहीं लगाया, ऐसा क्यों?
क्योंकि वो भी एक
राज।
Look at this. First position with distinction in post-graduation.
What? Show me. Baby George, MA in Hindi language and literature. First position with distinction in post-graduation. University of Kerala.
Oh my God! Baby ma'am is MA in Hindi? A South Indian, that too a Malayali, loved Hindi? A postgraduate in Hindi language?
Wow.
Unbelievable! Unbelievable!
Baby ma'am is very intelligent. She topped first in her class 10th and 12th, and in graduation too from the University of Kerala. She even surprised Annamalai University when she stood first there too.
Wow.
Raz.
This one, yes, this one I can spare for you. With this, Rashmi ma'am was honored for building leadership qualities in class 11th and 12th students and motivating them to excel in future and for being best mentor.
Oh, in that case, I can spare this one too. Baby ma'am was honored with this for being the best motherly teacher in the school, for loving and taking care of the little tender kids.
This one Rashmi ma'am got for her best morning assemblies.
This one, baby ma'am got for this is of Rashmi.
Yes, this one baby ma'am got for.
And this one Rashmi ma'am got for.
Yes, this is of baby. Got for.
Yes, this one
Enough.
baby ma'am got for.
Enough! 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 छे कितने कठोर हृदय के हम बन गए. The chapters, the hard work, being knowledgeable, dedication, leadership, empathetic, and so on, which were being taught to us since 4th of July 1994, 31 years by Rashmi ma'am and baby ma'am. But we failed to store, we failed to reserve, we failed to accumulate in our heart. We failed to decorate these ornaments in our hearts. These, my friends, these are the real life supporting treasures.
Yes, we are dead sure. In your bundles, there are still more treasures left. But enough. Sorry Rashmi ma'am and baby ma'am for failing to realize your contribution you made in her life. Sorry. Now we have realized how noble people you were. We have realized that these lessons are much more valuable than the CBSE syllabus you taught us.
Thank you, friends. You were our eye-openers. Thank you. Thank you for revealing the treasures of Rashmi ma'am and baby ma'am. Yes, these teachers are the symbols of calmness, cool, fearless, bold, and brave. Both of them are very simple, approachable, and down to earth too.
And we are indebted, we are thankful, and we are grateful to Rashmi ma'am and baby ma'am for making us real human beings.
ओके ये सॉरी वॉरी थैंक यू ये सब यहाँ नहीं चलेगा. मीट देम पर्सनली एंड pour out everything there before they leave Shaktinagar campus.
Listen, my dear fellow mates. Everything is okay. This thank you is okay. This sorry is okay. These chapters are also okay. But one thing is not okay.
Not okay? You mean Raz secret once again?
Yes, yes, you are right. All of you, come here. Come here. And listen to me carefully. See, she is grown up. बड़ी हो गई है.
Okay.
Got married. शादी भी हो गई है.
Okay.
Bore 2 children. यानी 2 बच्चों की माँ भी है.
Okay.
Became granny. दादी भी बन चुकी हैं.
Okay.
And now at 60, retiring.
Okay.
But why she is still a baby? Why she is still a baby? Why she is still a baby?
Oh, that is.
The 31 years of untold story. Raz, Raz, Raz.